Hey, what's going on? It's Proto and today we're gonna cook some shrimp fried rice. Let's go cook it. In a hot pan, 1 minute heat. Get it's hot. Oil up the pan, oil up the wok, all over. We get these things in stages, everyone. Get the wok all over the wok to maximize the surface area of the wok. Check this out, chat. Get some really yummy shrimp fried rice. We got here shrimp and scallop all prepped up right here. As you can see, we got some green onions, So got some overnight rice. We also got some light soy sauce, sesame oil, white pepper, and black pepper. Also got 5 eggs that we're going to add to the top first. This is the first stage. Let the egg cook itself. Nice and hot wok right here. I want to make sure that the egg is nice and cooked. There's a really hot wok right here. Look at the yellow. We don't want to make it brown. Nice and yellow. Look at that texture. Look at that awesome egg texture right here. Look at this texture. Looking great. Looks like we're cooking a little omelet. Once you get the shape of this, we start breaking it out actually. Start breaking it a little bit just so we can get the textures up. Get some oranges. We don't have to actually cook the egg actually. We just want to make sure it looks good to go. And the next stage, you're going to put this on before it's cooked and put it onto the dish. This is your oil here. Right here, you're going to add a bit more tab of oil. Then we're going to start cooking the shrimp. Yeah, once all over the wok. This is where we're going to cook the shrimp and the scallop right here. Wok is hot. All the shrimp is sparkling right now. We're going to watch it for the heat. Look at that texture. Look at that heat. A lot of oil, a lot of water. We're going to add some onions right now to spice up the texture. And garlic actually. Just garlic. The shrimp is cooking right now. Once you're about halfway there, we're going to add the scallop. Scallop cooks quicker than shrimp. And make sure our goal is to make sure we get rid of the clear texture right here. Nice. Turning over, make sure it's all textured up. Shrimp's looking great right now. There's actually right time we're going to add some white pepper as well with some seasoning. Scallops goes in right now. Got both the scallop. There's a seafood portion. Got the scallop and the shrimp cooking together with the onion we got there. The garlic, I mean. White pepper. A little seasoning right there. Ooh, it smells good. Shrimp and scallop is still cooking. We don't want to overcook it. We just want to get a little start on this process. A minute or two. Let it keep going a little bit. I'm going to add some black pepper as well. Keep it moving, that's the trick. Keep it moving. Keep it going, keep it moving. So it doesn't burn the inside. Now you see the shrimp is a lot nicer, getting ready to cook. Actually doesn't get brown. It is still going up right here. Okay, so we're going to cook it later, the rice as well. That is all good to go. First stage complete. Put this all into a little plate here. Continue to the next stage right after. Perfect, that's perfect. Alright. As you can see, we've got the shrimp and egg all good to go. We're going to leave it right here on the side. And a bit more oil now. Once again, we get ready for the actual rice. And we'll keep it nice and hot here in the oil. We actually put the onions down now. We put those small part of the onion, the white onion that we have. Yeah, not the green ones. The purple part here, all this stuff, we're gonna go down first. Nice and good. We use the whole wok once again. Use the whole wok, the whole surface area. There we go. We're gonna use that first. Make sure it's all good to go. Get some little spice here. Get some ginger, garlicky taste. Warm up the pan a little bit. That's good, and we're ready to break down the rice. So when those rice I showed you earlier, make sure before you put it down, kind of put your hands and fingertips in there just to soften up, make sure they're not too tied up together. You go in right there. Here we go. Oh yeah. Third batch of rice. First open as a batch right here. Second batch right here. Once again, want to hold the rice, break down so it's not too sticky. Okay, and put your hands right there. Yeah, put the rice down right here. Looking good, looking good. The rice down here. Got a bit more rice to go. It's going to be a pretty sticky process. Once again, once the rice goes in, you keep doing like this. The whole wok, use the whole wok to your advantage. Let's go. Let's see more rice coming up right here. Once again, break out the rice. You're going to break out the rice. Make sure it's not too crumbled. A few more here, a few more here, a few more here. Perfect. The whole wok is now in full use. I'm going to use too much. There we go. Perfect. Now we're ready to fry the rice completely. Try this process. Get the wok here. Keep frying. Make it hot, nice and hot. Break out. In the process of frying the rice. See, the rice is right here. Some really good texture. I'm going to break in every chunk. Get nice and hot. Keep it moving the wok. We're going to add this part back in. All that garlic goes in. The shrimp and garlic are going to go all right in here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Amazing garlicky shrimp here. Perfect texture. Perfect amount of rice. If you're ready, you can add the next step as well, which is the eggs. You know all these eggs we got here? We're adding in right now. Once the eggs are in, you want to break out each of these pieces so they look really good. Break out the eggs just like this. All you do, just crossing, making sure they're small little pieces as we break the egg into smaller pieces, just like that. I want to make sure to keep the rice, keep moving the wok. Yep, make sure it is all good to go. We're to break it in smaller individual chunks. A lot of things going on right now in the wok. I'm gonna add some seasoning now. This is the next step. What I like to do here is I'm gonna add a good portion of the sesame oil and to go with some light soy sauce. So I'll show you how that works, everyone. Alrighty, soy sauce right here. Show how it works. We'll put the soy sauce around the edge, just like this. Around the edge. Edge of the wok. Oh, look at that. Put 2 rounds. Gonna add the color and the texture of everything here. I'm gonna add the 1 round tablespoon of the sesame oil. That'll go all over the rice. Finish it over here, adding some of the green scallions that we have. Here we go. Break the scallions. Check this out. Check this out. Look how awesome it is. And for about another minute or so, make sure everything's good to go. Check this out.